Make bread, no tax. Louis on my hat, but I still don't cap. I can't give love to a chick that chats. Only ex that I got is the one on my back. Put my ends on the map and we did it.
What's up guys, OGZK here. Now today we're back with another YouTube video. So today I'm gonna be teaching you how to be making your own free professional intro. Now if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn the post notifications on so you never miss an update, a video or anything I post. And also if you're a return subscriber, you're gonna make sure to share this video with everyone. So let's at least get 100 subs. So it's a road to 100 subs. So I'm gonna be teaching you today in this video how to be making your own free gaming intro. So yeah, your intro will come and will be looking like this. Now that you've just seen the preview of that intro, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make one just like that. So what you want to do is go to a website called Panzoid. Now Panzoid has so many templates of gaming intros. So that's the link, type that in and you'll go straight to this website. So what you want to do when you click on template is go through the video. You want to make sure you like the whole process. After that, you want to go to objects and change the text. So make sure you change text properly, and when you do change text, it shows you face to face. So any little change you make, you'll be able to see it. So I'm gonna type in OGZK here, OGZK. See, now there's still some white background, so I want to get rid of the white background. So I'm gonna keep on editing the text so it can still have that white lining that I first had on the template. So I'm gonna keep on saying OGZK for the rest of the text templates where it says right there. Now you can clearly see it's coming together quite well. Now I'm gonna scroll down to see if there's any more changes I can make. There's no more, so I'm gonna run it through. That's pretty nice. See, I want to change the shake speed. So let me run it through one more time so you can see how it looks like. Now if you want to change the music, you can press it here, select, and import your own media file, all for free. If you want to change shake speed, which I'm about to do right here, so you can change it. So it's a 4.55. I'm gonna put it to an 8, so it's gonna have that aggressive shake. So yeah, let me run it through and you guys see the shake speed is more aggressive than it was before, which is kind of like, because look, there we go. I just like the shake speed, like increasing shake speed, if you know what I'm talking about. So after you've done all this, you want to go to the download section. So yeah, as I said, if you want to change your files, you go there. You want to go to download the video, then you want to start your video render. After your video is finished rendering, you then want to download it. So I'm gonna skip through the part because my thing was it took quite a while to video render, so I'm gonna cut this part to where it's finished. Now I've only got a few seconds for this rendering to be finished. So after the rendering is finished, what you want to do is download the video. So I did not record of me downloading the video, but I'll put the clip, the whole intro that I made in this video. So yeah, make sure for you guys to like and subscribe. Peace.